Molecular dynamics? Well, yes, there is a lot of useful things to do using this amazing tool. Nowadays, technology has become an inseparable part of us, don't you think? Come with me and take a look at this molecular dynamics simulation. Here, we observe two organic molecules in acetone interacting with each other and with graphene. Notice how they approach the graphene and settle onto it. This interaction, common in the fabrication of organic films for photovoltaic devices like OLEDs and solar cells, is called self-assembly. Understanding these interactions is crucial. The compatibility of the photosensitive molecules with the solvent, their ratio, and their interaction with the substrate determine the device's functionality. Now, to differentiate the materials, let us look at a more practical representation. The electron donor material P3HT, common in organic solar cells, is in green, and the electron withdrawing one, a new material based on parylene bisamide, is in gray. The blue lines are the solvent acetone. It is important to see how they interact before adhering to the graphene. This simulation gives us an idea of how a solution of organic molecules can form a thin film with a specific distribution, influenced by all the components of the system. Did you like it? Let's keep learning.